Axiom Space, the commercial space station developer, has made a significant leadership change by replacing its CEO, Tejpaul Bhatia, with astrophysicist Jonathan Cirtain. This move comes after just 6 months of Bhatia's tenure, marking a strategic shift in the company's direction. The announcement was made on October 15, with Cirtain taking on the role of president and CEO. Cirtain's appointment is seen as a strategic leadership change to advance the company's development of critical space infrastructure, including a commercial space station and a spacesuit for NASA's Artemis missions. The company's plans include a module scheduled to launch in late 2027 and attach to the International Space Station, as well as a potential British private astronaut mission. Cirtain's previous experience at NASA and BWX Technologies, along with his leadership role at IBX, positions him to drive the company's growth and innovation in the space industry.